Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we disable guys phone auto brightness mode setting in our oppo phone device. Friends, you want to disable your phone auto brightness mode setting, so how can you disable it? Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So friends, now let's see how can we disable it. First of all guys, you will have to turn on guys your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it. Friends, you can see this type of setting. So friends, we will click on guys this phone display and brightness. So friends, you can see your oppo phone display and brightness setting guys. Tap here. Friends, you can see phone auto brightness guy. We will disable from this right side icon guys. Tap here to disable it. After disable guys, your brightness will not increase and decrease automatic guys. You can customize your brightness according to yourself without any problem. So like that guys, you can disable your auto brightness setting, and guys you can solve guys your auto brightness problem in your oppo phone device. So bye bye friends, we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.